guys, welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to discuss about production execution process. In last session we have completed master data steps in process manufacturing. So today we are going to discuss about production execution plan. Okay, so once the master data is created, we need to update the demand. Okay, so to update the demand we have the T code like demand and demand update in SAP. So the T code is MD61, okay, and MD62 for change, MD63 for display. So once the demand is updated, we need to run the MRP. Okay, so this is a MRP run planning step. MRP run plan. Okay, so the T code is MD02 is a T code to run the MRP. So in MRP, it will calculate the net requirements and it will generate the plan orders or purchase requisitions for in-house and external procured materials. Okay, so the T code to run MRP is MT02. So once the proposals are generated, the same thing we need to do. Okay, like checking the order proposals, doing GR, PO to GR, and plan order to production or process order. Because this is a process industry, so we are going to use the plan order to process order. Okay, so because this is a pharma industry, so the order category will be 40. Okay, so whereas discrete manufacturing, the order category is 10. So that is the difference, guys. So in interview they will ask like what is the difference in process and production order. So you can say that order category will be different in production and process order. Okay, it is a 10 for production order, 40 for process order. And here in process order we are using master SP, and these are the master data which are having different when compared to discrete or repetitive manufacturing industries. So here we have only one raw metal, so I am going to remove this SFG from this and I will delete these rows. Okay, this is production execution steps. So now I will show you in so here you don't confuse. Okay, here we are going to I will show you in SAP, because how the confirmation, what is the confirmation T code and what is the process order creation T code, I will show you in different in SAP screen. Okay, so I will share my SAP screen now. So now I am in SAP screen. So first we need to update the demand for the final product. So Tolo FG, I am going to update the demand. So I am going to prepare 10 piece of or else I will use 5 only. In this month I am going to prepare 5 piece of final product of this final product, and I will save. So once the demand get updated, we need to check the order proposals in MD04. Okay, so you can see the LSF quantity get updated as a 5 and there is no stock is available, and you can see the material type is FERT, finished product. If it is a raw material, then it will show ROH. And for raw material, if I show you, so you can see still the proposals are not updated to this semi-finished product, or we can say raw material, because still we have not run the MRP. So to run the MRP, the T code is MD02, and so basically in some plants they are going to use through a background job as well. I will show you how the background job is set up, what are the prerequisites we need to follow. I will make a different session for background jobs. Okay, how the background job is created. So currently I'm going to use final product because it is a single item multi-level MD02. If I run MRP for this metal, then it will explode the bill of material and it will update the proposals for below materials also. That is why it is mentioned that single item multi-level. So if you want to, if you think that I should require only the proposal should generate only for this metal, then you can use MD03. So MD03 is for single item, single level. Okay. So you can see MRP run for single item, single level. So it will only generate for this material. It will not explode any bill of material. So currently I am not using that one. I will use single item multi-level, and this is a net change processing key. And I think I have told about planning file entries as well. Like in MD21, you can see the planning file entries created for this FG part. If I click on execute, so you can see the net change indicator get updated. Once I run the MRP, what will happen? The planning file entries will disappear. So let me run the MRP. So I will run MRP for final product. Save. So you can see the purchase requisition generated one. Okay. Come back. Now go to planning file entries. Refresh. So you can see the when you run the MRP, the planning file entries get automatically deleted. Now I will check for raw material. The purchase requisition get generated for 5 piece. Okay, because we have final product for 5 piece. So you can refresh. You can see the plan order get generated for the final product. So now what you need to do is, I mean, the procurement team, what they will do, they will convert the PR to PO and they will bring the stock. Okay. So I will go to MD04 and for the raw material and double click. Here you can see purchase order. Convert the PR to PO. Click on the purchase order number and here purchasing organization 1000. Company code also you can give 1000 and you need to click the line item here and here you can see adapt. Okay, then what will happen here, still the material line item is not updated. So when you do this process, then the line item get updated. So and highlight this purchase requisition, click on adapt. So here you can see here it is updated. So vendor I use here standard vendor and I need to update the price. So I have updated the price. Now check the item. So there is no message is issued during the check. Save the purchase requisition. It will convert into PO number. So I can see PO is created downside. Okay, and if you refresh, the purchase order number get generated. So now what a PR team will do? They will do the GRN for the PO. So how they can do? MIGO only. Through MIGO, they will do goods receipt against the purchase order. So you can see here it get updated with the Dolo capsule raw material and quantity 5 piece where 101 movement get generated, stock type as unrestricted, and I will show you the quality management part. Then what will happen, this raw material we need to activate the inspection type. Then what will happen, the stock type should get automatically updated into quality inspection. So in upcoming videos I will provide you that session as well. Okay, and so if everything is completed, so we need to update the batch. Okay, because we have activated the batch management for this material. Here you can give that batch number, shelf life and expiry date, everything. So click on check. So everything is okay, then click on post. So once the stock get posted, you can check the requirement for raw material in MD04 or in MMB. So you can see the available stock get automatically updated. If I click on refresh, so you can see available quantity is there, 5 piece. Now what we need to do, we need to do the plan order to process order conversion. So MD04 for the final product FG, double click. So here you can see convert the plan order to process order. So click on that. Now enter. So no production version. Okay. Okay. Form has picked. So production version we need to either you can update, you can take manually. So here you can see the scheduling parameter is carried out. Release is carried out, and you can see here the operation we have updated that phase level operations as well, and material, the raw metal component is there, and it is a batch management key. That is the reason the X mark is get updated. And here what we need to do, you can click on material availability. So below you can check all materials are available for this order. Now we need to create a batch. So click on create batch automatically, so it will get automatically get updated. Now save the order. So once the order gets saved, so for creating process order, the T code is COR1. Okay, for change COR2, and for display COR3. So now I will refresh. So this is the process order number, and PI01 is a control key. Sorry, order type PI01, and it is released state. Okay. Now /O R3. Okay. So display process order. So COR3 is a T code for display process order. So you can see the process order number get generated. Now this is a order type PI01. Okay. And now what we need to do is we need to do the goods issue. So MIGO and goods issue against the order. So enter the order number. So we are providing the raw material to the final product. Click on continue, and you can check the batch management. Click on F4, continue. So you can see one batch is available, which we have while doing the PO2 GRN, we have given this as a batch number. So document is okay. Now click on post. The 261 moment is updated. Now we need to do the confirmation. So actually in discrete manufacturing we use CO11N T code to do the confirmation, but whereas in process industry we are going to use COR6N. Okay, COR6N is a T code for the phase level. Okay, so you can see here phase level confirmation. Suppose if you want to do for header level, then CORK is a T code. So in CORK you can directly update the confirmation for order level. So either you can do here or else you can do in CO or 6CN as well. So I am going to do in header level only. So yield to confirmation one quantity and final confirmation. Okay, now continue, click on save. So you can see order confirmation is posted. Now here you can see it is showing as release. If I come back and enter, it is updated CNF as well. Okay, goods movement posted, GMPS means goods movement posted, material availability is checked and confirmation, and it is released. Now we need to do, okay, so actually what happened, so if you see here, you can see the yield is showing 4 minus. So while posting the confirmation, I have given one quantity only. So now I need to give four more quantities when the confirmation is done. So what I will do, I will provide the remaining quantity, like 4 piece remaining quantity is pending, right? So those 4 piece also I will provide. So I have updated. Now if I go to display and if I come back, enter, you can see the yield -4 also get disappeared here. Now we need to do GRN for the final product. So in MIGO only we need to do. So go to MIGO, goods receipt, against the order, enter the order number, click on execute, give item OK, quantity check, where, okay, the storage location automatically get updated. The batch number we have provided, we need to give the shelf life expiry date, click on check, and I will show the stock first, MMP, execute. So you can see there is no stock yet there. Now if I click on post, so if I refresh again, so you can see 5 quantity of stock is available. And if you want to check in details, click here. So here you can see in detail as well. Okay, so if you double click, display, so you can see the stock here as well. Okay, if I scroll down, the 5 quantity stock is available. So this is the way the business process is done in uh, process manufacturing. And actually I forgot to show one more thing, like we need to release the phase or operations, okay, in process industries. So now currently, sorry, CRO2, COR2. So here in the operation level we need to, there will be green flag is there. Currently we have confirmed the operation. So before doing the confirmation, we need to release the phase level operations. Okay, so once the operation, because I have updated order level confirmation, that is the reason it is not asked. But if you done the COR6N like phase level operation, then it will tell that release the operation. So here we have, like for how the header we have the release flag, in the same way we have a release flag for operation. If you see downside, release phase level operations. So in this way you can release the phase level operation and you can do the confirmation for phase level. Okay, so this is one thing. So let me update in Excel as well now. So these are the process which I have already updated here. So once the MRP run is carried out through T code MD02, and we can check the order proposals in MD04. Okay, so we can write here in MD04, and we need to convert the PR to PO, and once the PO converted, we need to do GRN for purchase order 101 moment. Stock will arrive. We can check the stock in MMP, and converting plan order to process order. Here I will update process order in T code CO40 MD04, and we need to perform GI for the semi-finish. As of now, we have used raw material here because there is no semi-finished product. Raw material against the FG product, not a production order, it is a process order, 261 moment. So confirmation for operation like phase level. So here we CO R6N. Okay, and if it is for header level, it is for CO RK. Okay, process order header level. And before that, what we need to do is, I will insert like here you need to release the phase level of phase, release the phase or release the operation in T code COR2. Okay, so COR1 is for create, COR2 for change, COR3 for display, and we need to perform the confirmation for FG like COR6N for our phase level operation, and header level CORK, and goods receipt against product process order. Okay, 101 moment, and check the stock in MMB. So this is the one cycle. Okay, we have activated the batch management also. So in the same way, you need to perform for I have shown for make to stock. Okay, this is the one total execution step from top to end for make to stock. So in the same way, you need to perform for make to order, and with the batch management, serial number management if required. So that is how you can practice. So I have completed the process manufacturing as well. So as we discussed that, we have completed discrete, repetitive and process manufacturing. So in upcoming session, we are going to discuss about different process like subcontracting process, and operational scrap levels as well also. Okay, because there are different type of scraps are there: operational scrap, component scrap. Okay, and component scrap. And yeah, let's see in upcoming videos, we will discuss one by one. So I hope you understand these three manufacturing process in SAP. So thanks guys, thanks for watching SAP PPQM. So like and subscribe, and please do practice in your SAP system all these things. Yeah, thank you, thanks for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.